Hello people, welcome once again to today's episode on Millet's Kitchen. If this is your first time watching my video, then a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, today we are going to make Ghana Burkina. It is also popular among countries like Togo, Mali and Nigeria. Well guys, before we start, let's go through our ingredients. We have our millet couscous, skimmed milk, carnation milk, quick style yogurt, sugar and vanilla essence. So guys, we are now going to go ahead and measure our millet couscous. I am using 300 ml. And then after, I am going to go ahead and pour it into an empty container. And then I'm going to add my hot water to it. You want to pour the water, not too much, but just so it will cover the millet couscous. And then we're going to go ahead and cover it and then leave for 5 minutes. Now I am going to measure my sugar. I used 100 ml for this amount of couscous. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my mixing bowl, and then I am going to add my Greek style yogurt to it. After this is done, we are going to now put our millet couscous into the microwave and leave for 7 minutes. And then we will go back and stir our sugar and yogurt together. Now when this is done, we are going to add our evaporated milk to it. We are going to use everything in the can and then continue mixing gently together. We're now going to add our vanilla essence. I used 1.5 of the vanilla essence lid. I'm now going to add my skimmed milk, about a cup of it, and then mix gently together. Now when this is done, we are going to go ahead and bring out our millet couscous, which is ready, and then pour it gently and stir together. So guys, our millet couscous, known as Ghana Burkina, is ready to be served. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you guys.